Landmark Mahindra unveils Mahindra XUV7 XO and XEV9S at its Topsia More showroom in Kolkata on the evening of January 10th. Landmark Mahindra achieved a significant milestone in Kolkata's automotive landscape with the grand unveiling of two of Mahindra's highly anticipated SUVs, the XUV7 XO and the XEV9S, at its showroom located at Topsia More. The dual launch event reflected Mahindra's strong commitment to both high-performance internal combustion vehicles and next-generation electric mobility. The event witnessed an impressive turnout of customers, automobile enthusiasts, media representatives, and dignitaries, creating an atmosphere of celebration and anticipation. Speaking at the event, a spokesperson for Landmark Mahindra, Kolkata said, "The launch of the XUV7 XO and XEV9S is a proud moment for us. These two vehicles represent the future of mobility, one driven by powerful performance and the other by innovation and sustainability. We are confident that customers across Kolkata and Howrah will strongly connect with these products."
एक बार फिर से जोरदार I want all of you to please put your hands together, give a big round of applause for this wonderful moment. Sir, we would like to do a small countdown before unveiling this building. So we are unveiling the brand new XUV7 XO Mahindra. This is the final look. Guys, look at the beauty, the gorgeous, the beauty with the spectacular features. The dream car. The dream car is right here. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए for the brand new Mahindra XUV7 XO. Come on everybody, put your hands together and give a big round of applause. Just look at the beauty, guys. I can't take my eyes from this car. Sir, इसको 10, 0 to 10, Shabbai, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on everybody, say it out. 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go, the brand new Mahindra XUV9S. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए. Come on everybody, put your hands together and give a big round of applause. Oh my God, that's beauty, that's fantastic. The gorgeous is right here in front of you guys. Put your hands together and give a big round of applause for this celebration. And now,
Thank you so much for everyone together here on this occasion. I think you would understand most brands launch mid-life refreshes or a facelift or any new addition to a brand when they typically are in a slowdown. But I am telling you, 7XO has come on a very strong base of XUV700. I can tell you from Kolkata, which is the West Bengal and Sikkim region, we did our ever highest XUV700 sales of 300 vehicles in the month of October. And with that strength, from that strong footing in this market, we are now bringing in the next league of vehicles which brings more features, which are more customer centric, which have captured every feedback that our customers have given us over the years and making it a number one choice for every customer who wants a 7-seater SUV which is aspirational, which fulfills their dream. So congratulations to all Mahindra, congratulations to the automotive.
Thank you. Grand success for us in Kolkata market. And Sri Automotive alone has sold almost 250 plus vehicles. That's they are proud of that. And XEV9S is bringing whatever customer has requested or customer requirement has come in our journey of last 1 year, all the gaps have been identified, corrected in this vehicle. Be it in terms of space, be it in terms of performance, be it in luxury, everything has redefined this vehicle. To say few about technological aspects, this vehicle will give you a range of 500 km plus, being an EV, which is tested across 22 cities all over India. So no worry of range, with lifetime warranty for battery, which is a police which is coming from the customer. So you don't need to worry about your battery life or anything. It's a lifetime warranty we are giving for this vehicle. And when we speak about yes defines many things in terms of space. This is having the best in class second row seat in any vehicle which is more than 50 lakh in India. So if you see the second row seat comfort of this vehicle, this is having a sliding seat, this is having a reclinable seat, and it's having a ventilated seats, which is not having in many of the vehicles. So best in class second row seat comfort. Any customer who is like to have a chauffeur recline, this will be the best choice for them. Not only for second row, even the first row seats also having the ventilation seats, and we have a motor Bose mode activated in this. And considering other technological aspects, we are carry forwarding all the excellent or first in segment features like auto park in this vehicle. You get a triple screen from the base variant at a cost of 20 lakh rupees, and you get a sunroof in the base variant the same cost. So and you get a secure 360, which is a kind of CCTV for your vehicle. Wherever, for example, you park a vehicle in any traffic area, under your office, you can see your vehicle sitting in your office chair. What is happening around my vehicle? If somebody is hampering my vehicle, I will get alarm on my mobile phone. That's technology which is put into the vehicle. And if you see safety wise, we have NCAP 5-star in both child and adult. Plus, we have a ADAS level 2 plus integrated into the system. So you will be having a effortless driving in this vehicle. And we have a Vision X, nothing but whatever data you want to read in front of you. When you are driving the vehicle, you can just see in front of you with the augmented reality. So that is another important technological aspect of the vehicle. So this is the fastest vehicle 7-seater in India, up to maximum speed of 202 km per hour.
Sri Automotive.
नमस्कार।
सर वो बताइए कि आपका यहाँ पे जो लॉन्चिंग हुआ है कार, वो क्या मॉडल है और ये कहाँ का है?
सो हमारा ये महिंद्रा का आज के दिन हम महिंद्रा का XUV 7XO और महिंद्रा का XUV 9S ये दोनों मॉडल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। 7XO डीजल पेट्रोल में अवेलेबल है और 9S इलेक्ट्रिक मॉडल है। 9S के अंदर में आपको 500 किलोमीटर से ऊपर का रेंज मिलेगा, इन 2 प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा और बहुत तरह के फीचर्स जो और 1 करोड़ की गाड़ी में भी नहीं है वो आपको इन गाड़ियों में मिलेंगे। सो मैं आपको बोलूँगा कि आप आइए, हमारे 6 शोरूम हैं कलकत्ता में, तोपशिया, राजरहाट, VIP, बारासात, डायमंड हार्बर, बारुईपुर। आपको जहाँ भी समझ में आए आप आइए और हमारी गाड़ियों को देखिए, हम लोग आपको सर्व करने के लिए रेडी हैं। सो 2 खासियत यदि आप पूछें इन गाड़ियों के बारे में, सो पहला है कि ये गाड़ियाँ जो 9S है हमारा, वो सॉफ्टवेयर डिफाइंड व्हीकल है, जो आज के दिन इंडिया के अंदर में शायद इकलौता एक ऐसा मॉडल है जो कि ग्राउंड अप EV बनाया गया है। और दूसरा है कि इसमें स्पेस बहुत है, टेक्नोलॉजिकली बहुत एडवांस्ड है। 7XO के अंदर में बॉस मोड का फीचर है जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली आप पीछे बैठ के सीट्स को आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं, या आप जो हमारी गाड़ी के अंदर में 3 स्क्रीन आपको मिलेंगे फ्रॉम द बेस मॉडल, जो दूसरे किसी भी मॉडल में अवेलेबल नहीं है। ये दोनों यूनिक बनाते हैं हमारे प्रोडक्ट को कंपेयर टू अदर्स। 7 जन बैठ सकते हैं दोनों गाड़ियों के अंदर में। ये 7XO का प्राइस करीब 13.5 लाख से लेकर के 25 लाख के बीच में है और 9S का प्राइस 20 लाख से लेकर 32 लाख के बीच में है, जिसमें अलग अलग तरह के वेरिएंट्स हैं। बट लोएस्ट वेरिएंट में भी आपको काफ़ी फीचर्स मिलते हैं जो कि उस रेंज की गाड़ी में नहीं मिलते हैं। 6 से 7 डिफरेंट कलर्स हैं जो कि सबको पसंद आएंगे और हमारे कस्टमर्स ऑलरेडी लाइक कर रहे हैं उनको। मेरा नाम सौरभ केरिया है, मैं श्री ऑटोमोटिव का डायरेक्टर हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
मैं अभी 9S महिंद्रा के गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ। इंटीरियर ऑफ द व्हीकल इज एक्सेलेंट, outside it's also amazing and beautiful, but interior is as good as excellent, and leg space and the features what is mentioned here is amazing.
हमारे
Thank.
पास तो बहुत सारे गाड़ी
हम्म।
अवेलेबल है सर, इस गाड़ी में एक ऐसा खासियत बताइए, यह दो खासियत जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा।
इस गाड़ी में एक खासियत है कि आप बैक सीट पे भी फ्रंट सीट को पुश बैक एंड पुल बैक कर सकते हैं, सो दैट कि एज पर योर यू कैन सेट योर लेग स्पेस बाय योर ओन।
सर, और आज की डेट में जो मॉड्यूल्स निकले हैं, लेटेस्ट मॉड्यूल में आप यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, तो आपको कैसा इसमें नया फीचर्स रिलेटेड क्या आपको देखने को
फीचर्स
मिला?
फुल पैनल है यहाँ पे, जो कि बहुत सारी गाड़ियों में नहीं है, जो इनबिल्ट है। और प्लस इनका जो स्क्रीन, सन स्क्रीन जो दिया हुआ है इस व्हीकल्स में, बेस मॉडल से ही प्रोवाइड किया गया है, तो वो काफी अच्छा है। ये वाली जो है। थैंक।
सर आपका नाम और ये
मेरा नाम विवेकानंद सिंह है, मैं डीजीएम स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया साउथ 24 परगना।